Welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new to my channel. Today we have Boxycharm. This is the Boxycharm Premium, which I signed up for because I found out March's box is a brand sponsored box. So it's all Fenty, and I was super excited for the Fenty box. So I decided I'd get Premium or sign up and see if I could get onto March's, and I got into February's, which is surprising because this is a box that a lot of people wanted. So I'm surprised they took me off the wait list very quickly. But I'm gonna open this and let's get right into it. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that comes in either Premium, Boxylox, or the base box. So this is the premium box. This is $35 a month, and it comes with guaranteed, I believe, $135 value. The base box comes with $125 value, and it is $25 a month. And then the Boxylox, which I don't have, is $50 every 3 months, and it comes with, I think, a guaranteed $200. Inside this box is supposed to be beauty, hair care, skinny kind of beauty related item. And in this one, I believe there are 7 full-size items. At the top of every Boxycharm box is the theme of the month, as well as a description of every single item and the price of each item. And here is kind of that description. The first item in the box is the item that everyone was super excited for. It is the Hourglass Ambient Lightning Blush. I got it in the shade Infusion. I didn't know what shade it was. This was a variant item in the shades that you could get, but everyone was promised the blush. What is it with high-end brand that comes with a entire instruction pack on how to use a blush? I don't understand that. I believe Anastasia Beverly Hills does that as well. I got mine in this peachy blush shade. It reminds me kind of the Ciate blush we got in December's box. I do already have blush on, but might as well put some more on at the end. I do try on portions with the items I received in the box. I also just filmed the Jeffree Star unboxing if you hadn't noticed by my outfit. So we're gonna try and put on as much as we can, but we'll see how that works. This comes in beautiful packaging. It costs $40 individually, so this already covers the cost of the box plus another $5. They are a high-end brand around Tom Ford price, and I'm excited to have one of their products. I've never tried Hourglass before, so we'll try that on. The next item in the box is the Tarte Base Tape Primer. This was, I think, also an item that everyone received in this month's box. Tarte is a very good brand. I'm actually running out of the primer I currently have, so I'm excited to get this because I don't have a primer right now. So it comes in the packaging, kind of looks like the Shape Tape packaging. It's probably because it's called Base Tape. It's the one right before it. It does come out in a pumping motion, and okay, so this is opaquely white. We'll see how this blends out. Okay, that's a little creamier than how I usually like my primers. A little goes a long way, as you can tell. It is all over my hand right now. It's not tacky, well, it's a little bit tacky, but it's not as tacky as other primers, like the Smashbox primer, which is very silicone-y tacky. But I'm excited to try something new. We'll see how my skin reacts to this. I'll leave this on my hand, and if it reacts in any negative way, then I will be giving that to someone else. The price of that Tarte Base Tape Primer is $30, which is average for a primer. It has around, I believe, a couple ounces in here. It has 1 fluid ounce, and this was made in Korea. The next item in the box is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. You can actually try this on. Oh, it's pretty. It comes in a light pink packaging. I'm super obsessed with pink right now, like I was in my childhood. The weird thing with this packaging is you have to stand it up like this, which I don't know if I like because the liquid comes out like this. But let's spray this and see how ultra fine mist this is. Oh, that really smells like watermelon. And it is super fine. It reminds me kind of the Morphe spray, but the Morphe spray has more of an intensity to this. It really smells like watermelon. The cost of this is $28, and it comes with 84% watermelon. I don't know if it's watermelon fragrance or actual watermelon. That would be a little sugary on your face. I like how it dries down. It makes my face feel really nice, and I see myself liking that product a lot. The next item in the box is the Chorus Violet Body Butter. I am using so many body butters right now that I'm gonna wait to open this. It is huge, and I really like lotions. I don't use them enough, but I need to use them more, especially in the winter right now. So this is a good item to receive in the box, especially if you have very dry skin. I can tell you could use this and it would take months to finish. The cost of this is $32, which is, I think, a good price for the size of this. I have a Bath and Body Works, and I believe half the size of this. This has 8 ounces. Oh, but this has 7.95 fluid ounces. That's surprising because this one feels much larger than this one. And I believe this one is $16. It's interesting to see like how things are priced. The next item in the box, which is a controversial item. I don't think I will be even opening this because of how controversial this is. Recently, this brand announced they were debuting in Boxycharm, which is a weird place for a brand to debut a product. People were like, oh, this is weird. It is priced at $100. Yes, it is priced at $100. It's a gold foil moisturizer. However, people found this item on AliExpress for $1. It's confusing where this brand came from. Up until a few days ago, they didn't even have an ingredients list up on their website. They didn't even have a website. People found out that it was made from the same company as like Dirty Little Secrets, but they found the exact product on AliExpress. It was just like the name changed to Acacia, I think. I don't know. I haven't heard anyone pronounce it. I'm just scared to use this, to be honest, because I feel like their ingredients list isn't true. This company sounds very sketchy. I'm very disappointed in Boxycharm for even signing up with this brand. I'm assuming they didn't know about it, but you can never know. Boxycharm, we would like updates on this. People have been commenting on their Instagram and their comments are getting deleted, so Boxycharm's being a little iffy with this product. So I won't even be opening this, I think, just because I don't trust the ingredients list, to be honest, and it's frustrating that this was added into the box to increase the value when the value of this is $2 on AliExpress, and I don't like that drop shipping increase to $100 because I don't think anyone should purchase this for $100. That's just my thoughts, and based on the evidence we've seen so far, it doesn't sound like I'm speaking rumors, but just so I don't get sued, this is just a rumor that was spread around on Instagram. The last item in the box, which was a choice item, is the ceramic flat iron by Sutra Beauty. This is a full-sized flattening iron. It is in the light blue shade. Looks like that. It has different settings, I assume? No, it doesn't have different settings. What is the value of this? The value of this is supposedly $80, but the ones I get from TJ Maxx that have different settings and they have different like heat is around $20. It feels a little nicer because it is made out of ceramic, so I would value this at around $40, not $80. I didn't get to choose my item for this box because I had signed up much later and choice was done at the beginning of January and I signed up for this at the end of January. But it's exciting to see something different in Boxy Premium just because the items we've been seeing are palettes and makeup, and it's exciting to have like a hair care beauty product, and I'm not disappointed with this. I definitely will use this and try this. Even though I have another flattening iron, it's always nice to have two, one to travel with, one to keep at home. If one breaks, you have another one on hand, and I like straightening my hair, so that's kind of exciting to see. So I just realized that I misspoke before. Boxy Luxe is valued at $275 and you get it every 3 months. So that part was right. I just didn't say what months you get it correctly. The value correctly. According to their theme was supposed to be adore, so kind of like a love theme. I would have wished to see more pinkier items. You have the Hourglass Blush and the Watermelon Glow Fit Mist, and these are two like pinky items, so it kind of coincides with like the Valentine's theme. But then you have a blue straightening iron, a primer that's also kind of blue themed, and the gold moisturizer that no one's gonna use. But their theme is half there, half not there. So Boxycharm kind of always does that. They don't always stick to the theme perfectly. I'm super happy with 4 of the items I got. I feel like I'm missing an item. Oh, I forgot about the Cora's body butter. Okay, so these items plus the hair straightener I'm super happy with. I think the value is really there for the box. You have high-end items that have good reviews. It's a little bit different for Boxycharm to be doing this. Usually they put in a few filler items that you're not happy with, and this time you only have one filler item that I think they got scammed on with too. The other 5 items are impressive, and I will be using their things that I've run out on. I needed a new like mist, so this is exciting. The primer is also exciting because I don't have one. I don't have too many blushes, and it's nice to have a high-end one now. So I'm impressed with this box. I would recommend you to go purchase it. You still have time till the end of the month to get on the wait list, and there's a chance of you getting on for March's box, which is Fenty. So that's super exciting. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, I have a whole list of Boxycharm videos. I've been doing it since January of last year, so I've been doing it for a full year. This is my first premium box and I really like it and I'm impressed with it. So go ahead and go check out my other videos. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every 2 weeks. I try and do more than that, but I'm a full-time college student, so it's difficult sometimes. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out my other social media. I have my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Depop, my TikTok, all linked down below. Follow me on all of those. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.